What's going on, Power Squad? My name is Will Coloma with WillPowerTurnkey Specialist, and I'm here to teach you how to deal with contractors from a contractor's perspective. Well, if you guys are here, it's because you guys are into flipping or want to get into flipping. You've attended several seminars, workshops, so you know the basic of flipping, you know, the 101 of flipping. I'm pretty sure you guys all have heard in these seminars and workshops that you guys attend, you know, that when dealing with the contractor, you don't want to give them too much money up front. You want to put them on a pay schedule, how to find a good contractor, this and that. But they don't really teach you what it is to deal with the contractor from a contractor's perspective, only from an investor's perspective, which is usually on the defense. And that defeats the purpose if you're trying to build a team. Don't just hire help. Build a team. So if you're serious about succeeding in rehab flipping and dealing with your contractor, do yourself a favor and click that red button and subscribe. And please comment down below. Let me know what issues you keep on having with your contractors, regardless of the job, from project to project. You keep on having the same issues, same problems, same scenarios. Let me know. I want to hear from you. Just comment down below and I'll try to reply as many comments as I can.